wraps up tight for another cold night. Rain on the cobblestones, wind cuts deep. The city moves on, but he can't find sleep. Once had a job, once had a home. Now all he's got is the streets that he roams. Passed by the people, just faces of stone. No one to call, nowhere to go. Oh, the cold streets of Dublin, they don't have a name for the souls lost in shadows, forgotten in pain. The city's so golden, yet hearts turn to gray. Will you see me, or just walk away? Her child in a doorway at dawn, dreaming of places where hope isn't gone. Counsel is long, shelters are full, promises made, but they're empty and cruel. A cup full of change, a glance full of shame, but kindness still flickers in soft-spoken names. A busker sings low, a song of the sea, and for a moment he feels free. Oh, the cold streets of Dublin, they don't have a name for the souls lost in shadows, forgotten in deep. A city so golden, yet hearts turn to gray. Will you see me, or just walk away? A chorus of voices still longing for light. Dublin's not broken, but it's lost on the way. We just need love to bring back the day.